video. So today, we're going to put his cover on finally. He still hasn't got it done yet. And yeah, he actually got the rail out. But in today's video, we're going to do an install on the F-150 here. And show you guys how to get this thing installed. But before we get this thing installed, I'm sure some of you guys will be very proud of this. I went mudding, as you guys can see. Look at all Actually, no, guys. I didn't go mudding. I hate this. I just washed this freaking thing, as you guys know. And I hit this damn mud puddle. And here's the worst part. I'm okay, you know, with all this mud that's on the truck. Like, look at that. What the hell? Come on. Are you kidding me? And it went all over my mirror. Here's the worst part, guys, is when you have, you know, a tire with just a little, sticking out just a little bit, it's going to go all over the side of your truck. And what's your question?
Why buy mudders if you're not going to go mudding?
I don't have mudders. Oh, yeah. Why ask a stupid question if you don't know anything about tires? So, yeah, that's what I thought. I don't think these...
MTs?
Does that say M? Let me see. This says RT, my friend.
You're just a big baby.
No, this is RT. I got rid of the mudders because I don't go mudding. But back to my, look at that. Get off there, man. I don't get it. And this is the worst part, guys. It's only on one side of the truck. It's not even on both sides. I guess it didn't hit the back part. I like this one tire hit the mud and got it all muddy. And this side looks great. There's nothing wrong with this side. Nice, clean, you know, wheel wells shiny. Nothing going on over here. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. We got one there. And we got a little mud over here. Little mud over here. Oh, look, little mud there. I feel, oh gosh, don't look at that. Did you ever see this? When the guy hit me, Nick?
No, I did not.
Look at this. I have actually, guys.
I haven't seen it, but I guarantee you it's not that bad at all.
That's horrible. What do you mean that's not bad?
Oh, your rubber got little puncture.
What?
Oh.
What?
Poor baby.
That is not a little puncture. That's, look at the cut in that.
Finger is bigger than it.
Yeah, but look at this is scratch. This is scratch.
Subscribers commented laughing at you for being a big baby.
That no. This is not being a baby. There's
Guys, you think Eddie should replace a $4,000 bumper because of a little scratch?
Hey, guess what? Monday I'm taking it to the guy's insurance, Geico. I will update you guys if I am allowed to record, but yes, Geico did call me. The guy has Geico insurance. He does have full coverage. So Geico called me today and said, you know, we want you to see the truck, you know, inspect it. We'll let you pick where you want to do the work. And the bumper from the dealer, I got a quote. I called GM. The bumper without being painted, I think they said it was like $1,280. That's just the bumper. That's not including the plastics that I need to buy. He said the plastics are another $400 or $500. Then he said you need to buy some like clips, another $200, and it's got to get painted. I don't know how much that's going to cost, and it's got to get installed. So I don't know how much this is going to cost. So we'll see what the quote is and how much, you know, they said you can purchase everything and we'll write you a check. But I'm going to meet up with them Monday, take all the Dirty Macs over here, and hopefully, you know, we get her fixed by next week, guys, because this is killing me. But hopefully she's fixed by next week because that is driving me nuts over there. I can't stand that. As you guys know, I don't have any dings, dents, or anything on this thing. So that bothers me a lot. I can't wait until someone smashes right in the back here and puts a massive hole and see how you feel. Oh, you guys want to see what he did? Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
This guy thought he was in like a real truck, you know, like some tires. Let me show you guys. He thought he was going to just go like over a curb and no problem. Well, where's it at? Hold on. I need some light. Give me some light over here. Look, he's inspecting his paint. Your paint's jacked. Where's the light? Hold on, guys. Let me show you this. Shine your light over here. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but curbed the shit out of his rims. Like, this truck was like, I don't know, 2 days old. Took a chunk out of the tire. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get a flashlight.
Okay, man, here.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Nice.
I can't wait to have to change these tires. I kind of like...
So clearly, Ford in their pizza cutter tires, I guess.
No, I hit a curb pretty hard.
He lost.
I'm not blaming Ford on this.
He lost against the curb, clearly, guys.
too.
Oh my goodness, this truck is
It
disgusting.
comes right off though.
You know, for a detailer.
I'm too busy to clean my own truck. That's a good thing.
Genesis.
I'm busy.
Genesis detailing. All right, enough with this BS. Let's start this and get this done. All right, guys, so when you get these covers, the bag will tell you left and right. I mean, you can't really screw it up because it's kind of, you know, a common sense. You can't put this on that side because this is the track right here. So obviously the track is always on the inside. So this is going to be left, that's going to be right. Now this stuff, guys, right here, the only reason you will need to use this rubber or any of this is if you don't have this plastic bed liner. So some trucks that come, you know, without this and it's just paint, they recommend you using this stuff. If you have this plastic on here, according to the directions and the company, you do not need to use it. You can put this right on and you'll be fine. This is also the X4, not the X2. When we get this thing opened up, I'll show you the difference between the X4 and the X2. Right now, he's still detailing and wiping stuff down over there.
All these metal shavings, they do not even like bother cleaning this for you. They just like here.
They said here, yeah,
They do have
take it.
detailers.
They said, yeah, Nick is a Genesis detailer. Okay, so well, it comes with these also. There's no drilling holes, anything. These just clip right onto the bed. And these right here, guys, when you see these are gonna go on the very, very inside. So when you do roll your cover all the way up, it will lock in. I'll show you guys that towards the end of the video once we are almost done. So Nick, let's get some tools and open these up. And I'm going to sit and watch the TV. If you guys have never watched The Ranch, you guys got to watch The Ranch. It is the best show ever. I love this show. I wasn't against it. I just...
You did not want to watch it.
I didn't want to watch it.
I said watch it.
Yeah, and I love it. It's a really, really good show. But yes, guys, I'm only on season 3 of The Ranch. Well, by the time you guys see this video, I'll probably be on season 5. 6. Or 6. Yeah, we'll see. But right now I'm on season 3, episode 10. And yep, that's it. Let's get started. Let's get him his impact gun. This is the impact / Milwaukee drawer right here. Here you go. Take your 3/8, or you want to ratchet. No, here.
I want a Milwaukee.
I'm going to give you a Makita. This drives D-Max Rhino nuts. D-Max Rhino, when he sees like DeWalt, Rigid, Milwaukee, Makita, he goes crazy. He's like, well, because he's like, dude, how do you have all these tools and like, what do you do with batteries? Like, that drives me nuts. Like, I hate that.
Oh yeah, I don't blame you. That's a good point.
Okay, you can use your own damn gun, I guess. I'll put mine back in here then. If you don't blame him, there you go. Because I don't see anything wrong with this drawer, guys. Yes, I got DeWalt, I got Rigid, I got Makita, I got Milwaukee. Clearly, I got more Milwaukee stuff. Oh, and I got some Snap-on, but that's about it.
No, you made a good point though. Like, you have to deal with a lot more.
I really don't have to deal with it. So what I do is when this battery dies, I just put it on that charger. And I charge it up, and that's about it. I don't really do any construction work, so I'm not like mobile. So you know, it works perfect for me. Hey bud, before you put that on, you need to put the rail on first. That can't go on without the rail. But hey, I give you A for effort, man. That was really good effort. I saw you. Yes, I saw you doing a really good job there. So yeah, there you go. Let's put this rail on, and then you can put that on. And
you want this all the way forward?
Yeah, make sure, guys, when you do install this, make sure these are all the way forward right here. So this rubber, can you get your damn Okay, we'll get rid of that later. So you see this little rubber, make sure it's all the way forward and is touching right here. Now you can start putting on all of the brackets. And if you guys are wondering about this little gap too, like Nick was like, what the heck is this? This is normal because when the tailgate closes, it's obviously going to line up perfectly with it. And do not put that on yet. You want to do this side first. So, well, you can set it up, but before you put on, we got to hold this thing straight. So, guys, if you have 2 people, if you can, have somebody help you while they're putting it on. Have somebody hold this for you because, well, wait, the seal's out. You got to lift it up. There you go. Make sure also, guys, all your seals are flat. They're not pinched because you will get water. And have somebody hold it for you nice and tight while you tighten it so you get a good, nice seal. All right, guys, we put one on. I don't know if you guys can see. It's going to be hard to see here, but make sure when you guys are putting this on, hold on, let me get a light for you guys because it's important. If you don't put these, man, this garage is, I clean this garage and it becomes a mess so quick. I can't reach over here. So when you guys do put these on, make sure that the lines line up, because if not, this thing will fall off. So you guys see, turn that light in there. So you guys see these little splines right here? Make sure that they line up and they're all even, because if not, you're gonna think it's on, but really it's not. And what's happened is that's gonna fall off and this whole rail is gonna come off. So how to put this rail on though, it's easy. Just push this rail, have somebody push it tight for you, and it just clips in here. Go ahead, do the other side, Nick. Did you already do that?
Yeah.
It's really easy. You can't really mess it up.
I
Just
think
get
it's
the
a little
spline.
big boy.
Go ahead, snug it up. That's it. And you guys don't want to over tighten them either. There is a torque spec on them, but I mean, I don't use the torque, so I just snug it. I've never had an issue with any of them. And that's about it, guys. You just clip these. It clips on the inside and the outside, and you got one of your rails on and done. All right, guys, and just like that, the rails are on. Bam, bam, bam. So now, next step is this big heavy monster right here. I don't know why they sent such a big box for such a little cover. All right, so next step, lift up, and let's put it on here. All you guys are gonna do is make sure you put these teeth, there you go, just like that on the rack, and you're going to slide it. Oh, you're gonna have to open it like this to take all this stuff off, and then you guys can open it from here over. Go ahead, just keep going, pull all this crap out, hold on. All right. Now, well, no, so now what you guys are gonna do, and also while we have it here, I'll show you the difference. So you see how this is like a matte material, and it seems a lot thicker also than my material that's up here. And yes, I'm pumping some fuel in here. Actually, I better check, see if I'm getting full. I'm pumping some fuel in here. I'm still doing the miles per gallon test, but I'm going through a full, oh shoot, we're full. Uh-oh, hold on. It's coming out the filler neck almost. All right, kill that. So I am going to do still the miles per gallon test. Yeah, damn, it's pretty close. It's one thing about these things, guys. Don't forget this thing on, because it will get full, and it'll get full fast. But I am going through a full tank of my diesel fuel and the back tank to see how many miles I can actually get on it, and to see how many miles per gallon that I'm actually getting on with both tanks, this tank and that tank. So now that's it. Oh wait, better put the cap back on. All right, now I will show you guys what my cover looks like compared to his cover on his truck. So you notice mine is like a shiny material. His,
I kind of like this.
you like the shiny?
Yeah.
See, I don't know, I kind of like the matte. You guys notice his is more of a matte, rougher material.
I also have a logo.
What?
I got a logo.
Well, no, I have a logo too, but I take it off. So in the directions, guys, with this, when you do put this on, what they want you to do is take a heat gun and heat this thing off. No, the logo, I take them off all of them just because I don't like the logo. I like the clean look. But they want you to heat this up so it sits flat. What I tell my customers to do when I install them, just go, leave your truck out in the sun, and literally in a couple days, this will all sit flat, flush, and perfect. So now, guys, the next step on this is to, when you guys do put the cover on, flop this side open. Where's those screws? Let me put these screws on it here now. Give me 2 of them. All right, so 2 are going to go on this side. They're just gonna slide right here. You can't really mess this up because they only go in one spot. So it's going to slide right in here like that, and it's going to slide right in here like that. And these, when you drop it down, are gonna go right into here. And you're gonna put the washer and another washer down at the bottom. And these are, I don't know if you guys can see, but, oh, so that's not, it's gonna have to come in a little bit. In there, that's it. It's gonna fall just like that. Well, that's fine, it sits perfect.
Well, no, because I don't know what the hell Ford did. Did they not use a straight edge when they built this truck?
So guys, when measuring this thing, how I like to do it is usually I like to keep the seal pretty tight. That's in here, but with these Fords and the electric push button, I like to take it to right about here. So you see this gap? I like to go right where it stops, right at this first ridge. So when you close it, it stops right there. See, it matches perfect with the rib. It's gonna stay nice, tight, sealed up, no water leaks or anything. This will be perfect. And obviously he's gotta tighten that side still first, but when you don't go so far in, that still makes it easy for you to push the button and it allows it to release without any problems. All right, guys, now here's the fun part. You gotta sit, put the washer, tighten it up a little more. You gotta go in a little more, you're reaching. Go ahead.
What?
So here's the fun part, guys. Close this thing up, and that's it. And he's done.
Yeah.
He can't even get out.
That's all I got for you guys today.
What? Hey, be quiet in there, man. Don't talk. Now he wants to, he turned his bed lights on, but, well, these are some pretty sorry bed lights that Ford put in here. Sorry to say. Well, now he wants to change the bed lights, because I think we should, because I don't know.
They don't do shit.
Yeah, they're not very bright, these bed lights in
You're
here.
gonna do a lot with this thing closing it, like,
Didn't really do anything.
didn't do anything. No.
So there you have it, guys. That's how you install these bed covers of specifically the Back Industry brand and the Revolver. It's very, very easy. There's not much work involved in these things. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.